Welcome back. So now we are going to see one more example with respect to RStudio, and we are taking a library called a BioString. So before that, first we were going to see what this BioString library is about. So BioString is a package which provides tools for working with the sequences. Okay, so it is essential data structure of DNA string, and a DNA string set should be given for working with one or multiple DNA sequences. Okay, so BioString package contain additional classes for representing the amino acids and also for journal biological strings. So this thing we are going to see again more with respect to the coming videos, but now we are going to see how to just install BioString in the RStudio, and just giving one example for DNA, and just we are going to run and going to see that do we get the output with respect to using BioString library using RStudio. Okay, so we are going to run this. So it will start for here. So first we are installing the library which is called as a BioString. You can also go from here and install via this, or else you can simply just run this command, that is a library BioString. Okay, so here the package is included, which is shown as output, and then we are going to run a DNA string. Okay, so here it is mentioned that do it is a string, but how many letters are there in the string, because it's a bio string. Okay, it is showing about the how many sequence number are there in given sequence. So there are 7 letters of DNA string instances, and the sequence is nothing but this A C A C T T G. Okay, so we are going to run a next command which is called as a DNA, and in that we have given 2 sequences. Okay, like here, and this is the second one. So now we are going to see that do this recognize with respect to the sequence which we have been provided. Okay, so we are going to run this. So that is a simple output. Here you will get the exact output. So here it is shown that DNA string instance of length is 2. Okay, with wide of a sequence, and first is over here this, and the second it is mentioned. So it's a simple thing, that is just counting the number of letters in our particular given sequence of string. So here it is mentioned that the next command, that is what is the alphabet frequency, right? If you have a huge sequence and you want to just get to know what is the base pair of the given sequence, okay, then in that particular condition you can just use this particular command which is called as the alpha sequence, okay, or alphabet sequence called as a DNA base only true. Okay, so we just run this. So here you will get the output, that is alphabet frequency DNA base only true, and A, C, G, T, and other. Okay, like this are nothing but the other. Okay, G and M. So for that it is mentioned that how many other sequences information are there, and then how many A, C, G, T, because it's a DNA. Okay, so it will just recognize only the DNA contain A, C, G, T, 4 nucleotides, and based on that it will also mention how many other number of letters are available in a given sequence. Okay, so it's a simple as a start. We are going to see much more examples in the coming videos, so stay tuned.